Good day. So, join your hands, sit straight, close your eyes, and pray for 2 seconds. Pray for everyone, pray for your companions, pray for your school, pray for your family. Okay. Ask God to help you throughout this day. Okay? Yes. Now open your eyes. Good morning. Yes. So we'll move on to our fifth chapter. Before that, yesterday we did something. What was it? What did we do yesterday? We discussed about a poem, right? What was that poem about? A grandmother's childhood. Okay. What was the poem's name? The Pond in the Village. Yes, very good. Who wrote that poem? Tell me who wrote? Yes, Uma Raman. Okay. Now, page number 47 in your textbook. Celebrating Earth Day. That is your fifth chapter. Now you can see some pictures there. Look at these pictures. Tick those that show people helping the environment. And put a cross mark for those who are harming it. So here you can see 5 pictures. Look at it properly and tick the pictures which shows that children are helping the environment and put a cross mark where people are harming it. That's a small activity for you. Okay? So shall we move to our lesson? Yes. Listen properly, okay? Use your fingers to read. Okay. The students of class 3 are having a fancy dress competition. They want to spend the message of saving our earth. So they want to spread the message of saving their earth. Okay, and it's a fancy dress competition. Read how they do it. Miss Karnik has some important news. Let's see what is the news. Children, I have exciting news for you. 22nd April is Earth Day. So when is Earth Day? 22nd of April. We will have a fancy dress competition on that day. Each of you must dress up as a tree, a cloud, or an animal and talk about yourselves. Fancy dress? What fun! The children think and talk about what to do. How would I look as a homeless tiger? Maybe I can come as a plastic bottle and talk about recycling. Wow! They are having very good imagination, right? Creativity. So one child is asking, how will I look if I come as a tiger who is homeless? And the next person is telling, maybe I can come as a plastic bottle and talk about recycling. It is Earth Day. The hall is filled with parents and teachers. Class 3 proudly presents the Earth Day parade. Our students will tell us how to take care of our planet. So, what do you mean by recycling? Recycling. What is the meaning of recycling? Making use of something in another form. So, instead of throwing out the plastic bottles and all, you can use it, you can recycle it. Okay. Nowadays, children like you have a lot of creativity. Okay. I can see people using plastic bottles and all to plant certain plants. and you can paint it and all. So think creatively, what can you do for next April 22nd? Okay? Yes. So class 3 proudly presents the Earth Day Parade. Our students will tell us how to take care of our planet. Aravind Gopalan walks on stage, nervous but excited. So, what is he coming with? He is coming as a bus. Okay? I am a bus. Use me instead of a car. Reduce pollution. Prevent traffic jams. Save money. Thank you. So, what is Aravind telling? I am a bus. You can use me instead of using your car. Reduce pollution, prevent traffic jams, save money. Thank you. This is what Arvind is telling. Now, the next one is Shabnam Khan. Shabnam Khan. She is talking about how to save electricity. So, look at her. She's coming with a yellow bulb, right? So, let's see what it is. I am a bulb. Switch me off when you are not in the room. Save electricity, save energy. Thank you. So, what is Shabnam telling? I am a bulb. Switch me off when you are not in the room. Save electricity, save energy. Okay, that is the message given by Shabnam Khan. Now, the next one is Gopal Sinha. Tells us how to recycle waste. So, Gopal is here to tell us how to recycle. So, he is coming with a garbage bin. I am a garbage bin. Here are some things that you can recycle. This is an aluminium can and this is a newspaper. If we recycle newspapers, each family can save 2 trees a year. So please recycle to save our earth. Thank you. So what is Gopal telling? He is coming with a garbage bin and he is telling, I'll tell you what is the importance of recycling. And in one hand he is holding an aluminum can and on the other he is having newspaper. So he is telling, if you can recycle newspaper and if you can recycle newspaper, each family can save 2 trees. So what does it mean? How is this paper made? Why is he telling like that? If you recycle newspaper, you can save 2 trees. Yes, papers are made from tree. Okay, so don't waste papers. Another example for that is don't tear pages from your notebook unnecessarily. Okay, there are students who do not have books to write, read, or anything. So, see how lucky you are. So, don't tear pages from your notebook today onwards unnecessarily. Not just from notebook, from any book you shouldn't. Don't do it. It's a very bad habit. Okay, instead you can write, if you are having many pages left in your rough note and all, you can write stories, you can write your own poems. Okay, you can be an artist. Maybe that's how your creativity will come out. Okay, yes. Now, the next one is Teresa Lewis. Teresa Lewis is coming as Tiger and she is telling how to save tiger. I am a tiger and my home, the forest, has been cut down. It is difficult to find food. So, the tiger is telling, My home is forest. All the trees are cut down and there is no forest now. It is difficult to find food. There are not many tigers left in India. Please save me and my friends. So it's a humble request from a tiger. Next one is Binita. She asked us to save trees. I am a tree. I give you clean air, woods, fruits, and medicines. You cannot live without me. Yet I am being cut down. Please save me. Thank you. So she is telling, I am a tree. I am giving you clean air, wood, fruits, medicines, and still you are cutting me down. So please don't do that. Please save me. Without me, you can't live in this earth. Next one is Jamshed Nariman. Okay? He speaks about water pollution. I am water. People have polluted me. They dump garbage in rivers and oceans. They also waste me a lot. Please use me wisely. Thank you. So, water is telling, I am water. But you all are polluting me. Okay? You are not kind. You are polluting me. You are wasting me. And you are throwing all garbage in rivers. You are destroying my beauty. So, he is telling, please use me wisely. Otherwise, later you will have to be serious, or you will have to be sad about the things which you are doing. That is, later sometimes you will regret when you don't get water. If you waste water now, later you will be regretting on that. Okay, that's a very important thing, children. Don't waste water. There are people who still don't have resource to get water. So use it wisely. Otherwise, as Jamshed said, later you will have to regret. Finally, all the children sing together. Every day is Earth Day, whether it's cold or wet or hot. Let us work to save our planet. It's the only one we have got. So, at the end of the parade, all children join together and they are telling, every day is a Earth Day. Okay? Don't use everything, or don't just take care of everything only on April 22nd. Consider every day as Earth Day and take care of everything which is gifted to you by Earth. Let's work together to save our planet. It's the only one we have got. We don't have another planet. We only have this Earth, right? To live. So, it's very important to take care of it. The parents and teachers clapped for the children. They all decided to do something. They all decide to do their best to save Mother Earth. Will you also do that? So, will you save your Mother Earth? Yes. Do you love your Mother Earth? Yes. Then you have to take care of each little things. Okay. All these trees, water, everything is gifted to you by nature. So it's your responsibility to take care of all these, so that later you can be happy and you can be satisfied. Is that clear? So that is our 5th chapter. Okay. Now after that you are having some activities which we will discuss later. So now go read this chapter twice. Okay? This is enough for today. Have a great day. Thank you.